Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Sienna with some great exterior features that include rear bumper sensors, a hood deflector, and 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got leather interior. This Sienna also comes equipped with a sunroof, power seat adjustments, and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right we have our cruise at the bottom. This Sienna has 124,000 kilometers. Down on the left side here, we've got our blind spot monitoring and your parking sensor buttons. Over on the touchscreen, we have AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, navigation, as well as your backup camera. Right underneath that, we have our tri-zone climate controls. And at the bottom here, we have our heated seat switches. For access to the second row, we can use the door handle, but there's also a convenient button on your key fob. Once the door opens, you can see we've got more leather interior in the back half of the vehicle. There are also storage pouches in the seat backs, and for access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward for you. This Sienna comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see that with the third row folded up, we still have plenty of storage space, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down as well. To close the liftgate, you can hit the button on the key fob again, but there's also an additional button up top. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2017 Toyota Sienna with some great interior features that include heated seats, tri-zone climate controls, a power liftgate, and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.